What's up, y'all? I seen them island boys got some new grills, so you boys on a quest to try to procure him some new chompers. You know your boy out the mud, so let's see what we do. See what we got here. What I see down in there. Not my retainers. Might come into play. This little, I guess, one of my sister's old beauty queen crowns. Sorry, Cal. And we're gonna need some kind of coping saw or some kind of saw blade down there. A knife or something. I think we found what we need. Nice stainless little razor's edge knife. Let's get it. Now my plan is to cut out this section and this section. So I'll have two little notches. Bro, this knife is a beast. Look at this shit. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, now that I've got those severed, I need to find something to cut here, here, and there. So I might have to have a smaller little utensil. Might be able to clip it with these. Okay, so I was able to clip it, but damaged a little bit of the gemstone there, but we'll just make it the bottom. Alright, so there's our top. Try to get them in hot water. Try to let them a little, so I can mold them. I got a little problem. It's stuck. Now we're just gonna use this bonding pen and just bond that together. Stop playing with me. Get that craftsmanship on there, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Stay flooded.